You're watching E-Block.
Quarantine edition.
Where Mr. Freeman tries to get us to grow plants inside.
We are back to looking at our potatoes in an Ikea bag. They have grown incredibly well. The heat and humidity and the sand and other loose soils that are here have allowed the roots to spread and for these potato plants to really start to emerge. At this point, we actually need to add more soil to the bag, and so I will use the flexibility of the bag to increase the size of the pot. Add probably another cubic foot of soil here, and what will happen is that these stems, once they're covered with soil, will actually start to grow out roots, and it'll increase the yield of my potatoes. Increasing the bag here also stops the potato plants from flopping over and allows the stems to come up. At this point, I'm going to actually pull out one of these potatoes here that I already loosened so that you can see the details of it. Here is the original seed potato that we planted in, and this one would have had only one eye of the potato that is grown into the stem. So that's the main stem that's come up that you can see, but there's actually a few lateral stems that have started too. So this has come out. We have a new lateral stem that's developing here, and this lateral stem is what the potatoes will primarily grow on. So as it grows, these roots will further develop, and these little nodes here will become the potato. So each of these little lateral stems are what's going to give us the potato. And this is a good reminder that the potato itself is not actually a root. It is a modified stem where the increased starch builds so that we get this good potato, but it also can form into new stems and leaves. These are the actual roots. So these have come out of the potato, and this is where the nutrients and water get absorbed, and then this lateral stem is where our potato is going to start to grow on.
Whoa! I can't believe this! Mr. Freeman was right, they really do grow better in the dark. Look at all the varieties! Whoa! Salt and vinegar, jalapeno dill pickle? Wow, look at these! This is amazing! I can't wait to tell